Hi, if you're looking for a way to group your recipes or a way to find your recipes and have them stored in uh, a way that you're used to, by a way that you're used to, I'm referring to GitHub, because I mean, if you're on this channel or if YouTube recommended you this video, it means you like maybe to code or you want to learn to code. And in this video, I'm going to show you a nice link, which is actually called GitHub for recipes. So here we have the link, which is sync.kitchen. And if we go to the features, we can see some really interesting parts. And if you scroll a little bit, or if you just scan it, you will see words which are really similar to GitHub or to repositories, like forking. And you will see what I mean, that it is the GitHub for recipes. Once I go in as an authentified user, it's really easy to make a new user here. You just need an email and a password. So let's go to the same page that we had here, just with my user, and well, let's explore. And maybe you want something that's done fast. You want it to be halal. Let's add some pictures, or maybe low carb, not halal. And okay, so garlic butter Brazilian steak. Okay, this one seems nice. So the first similarity that you might notice to a Git repository is you have a star. So you can give stars to the repos or to the recipe. And in case you like the recipe, but you want to make it your own, so you would do the same as you would do with GitHub and you fork it. Okay, and now it will be under my recipes, so test, and nicely shown where I fork it from. And let's just edit this a little bit. So let's make it the pounds. And let's add something else. I don't know, oil, butter, salt, steak. I don't know, let's say extra. Into that. So here you see you have nice validation. So I don't know, love one. So I can use, see, I can use pounds, I can use kilograms. It recognizes everything that is quantity specific. So let's use pounds, or since we have pounds everywhere. Okay, notes, a lot of love. Preparation, we leave it like this, or we can add text, images, videos. We can add any special equipment that we might want. Let's see what we have here. I don't know, mega big pot. And we can say, okay, now because it has a lot of love, it's also gluten-free. Oh, no, it isn't low carb anymore because, well, love is a lot. And we can let people comment it. So I have some errors. Let's see. Invalid image for user. Okay, just remove it. And we can add another one later if we want. So now this is your recipe. You can add a new recipe if you want. So the same way, it's just not pre-filled because we didn't we didn't fork anyone, you can import a recipe. So let's go a little bit and see. Okay, to dashboard again, and so this is what I have. Okay, I also have some shopping list. I can add a shopping list. Potato, eggs, and also I need some love. Well, actually, I need some subscribers as well. Some subs, and a like on the video. Okay, so there you have it. This is a short presentation of this, I would say, really interesting link. I mean, if you, like I said, if you want to have a way to store your recipes in an interesting way, and you're really fond of the way GitHub has it, have a look at sync the GitHub for recipes. As always, thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, like, and please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.